George, what's the biggest misconception that you think people have about water in the utility sector?
I think the biggest misperception is really a lack of knowledge, and it's not anybody's fault. For a long time, the water industry considered it was better part of valor, that we did our job really well when you turned on the water at the tap and you had no idea where it came from. That is a miracle of modern civilization, that there is clean water at the tap. And the most important improvement to public health ever, that eclipses penicillin or anything else. When you don't have clean water, people die constantly from pathogens in it. And we're delivering it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we've gotten so good at it, it just seems normal. And you don't know where it comes from. And if you don't know where it comes from or what it takes to deliver it, why would you pay a lot of money for it? So a lot of people have had a hard time getting their arms around paying a bill for water infrastructure because they don't know what it is. And I always say that's not a surprise. If someone came to you and asked you to pay for something and you didn't know what it was, why would you pay for that? And so a big part of our job in Washington, D.C., and the water utilities in the L.A. are fantastic, is educating our customers about this gigantic system that they rely on every day that does take investment. Smart investment will save enormous amounts of money and improve performance. That is what was proven to me from maintenance professionals, so that I became an enormous and still am. I think it's the secret sauce that allows any utility in this country to perform, is focusing on those questions. It's not the sexy part, but it is the place where you can save money and improve performance for all your customers and then reinvest those savings into the next generation of technology and service and protection and all the rest. But the biggest message to me is for people to learn and understand the vast systems that they depend on, so that they know what they're investing in and make smart investments.